Hi guys, it's me, Natalie or Nat, and welcome to my channel, Glam Sam Nails. My name's Natalie, I like doing nails, reviews, hauls, everything to do with nails. These are my socials, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and join the Glam Slam fam. So today's video is a fairly quick one. It's the advent calendar for Sparkle Supplies, and I'm doing day 2 for Madamglam advent calendar. So we've got 7, 8 and 9, and we've got number 2. So I'll do these first. And while I'm doing these, I'll tell you a funny story, because it just came to me then when I was watching something before on Netflix. Anyway, one of my nephews, I have quite a few nephews, but one of my nephews, he's that. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? That's called Silver Burst. Oh, that's pretty. It's a beautiful foil. That's really Christmassy. I like that. I really like that. DJ. many moons ago, he used to do like his little DJ thing, you know, and he'd put it online or whatever, and people would listen to it. And he had friends all over that come and listen to his little music sessions that he did. And one day he was playing some. I think it was Do You Believe in Life After Love? Do you believe in? And I said, oh, so I can sing that in French. And he said, can you? And I said, yeah. He said, do you know French? And I went, yeah, I can speak French. I said, go on then. So I started making it up, going, sans parler mieux ta vie ça. But I just making it up as I went along, trying to sing it. And he said, hey, this is my auntie, and she's brilliant. She can sing this in French. He really thought I could sing it in French. Oh, God. I just did it with my other nephew doing Silent Night. I did the same thing and said, I don't know. I was just thinking about it before because Silent Night came on. I did it with him. Just stupid. So, what we got in day 2? Oh, wow, these are cool. Oh, these are worthy of the trail. Look at these. Oh, they're really good then. No, I must admit I've not seen anything like this. This has definitely got festival all over it. Look at that. I don't know why I've got one glove. Oh, don't fall out. This has definitely got festival all over it. That's actually, yeah, definitely. What's it called, this? Mix Up. Yeah, that's these are definitely festival stuff. Yeah, look at them. Yeah, and I bet you they're glow in the dark. I guarantee you that's what they'll be. Yes, they are. They're glow in the dark them as well. Some of them. Yeah, so like any summer festivals, I mean, you don't even have to put them on your nails, do you? You could, well, I don't know if you could. I don't know if you could. If you've got a safe enough glue that'll go on your skin, I suppose you could. Yeah, very good idea then for summer. Yeah, Mix Up. And number 9. My advent calendar is. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? Fondant. Yeah, that's definitely fondant icing. Beautiful. So we've got fondant, we've got, wait, I'll go in order. We've got Silver Burst, Mix Up and fondant icing. So you pick, and I'll go with it. I'm still looking at the last 3, so I'll write these 3 down so I know what they are. So you decide which ones, and that's what we'll go with for a set. So we've got Silver Burst foil, Mix Up, lots of things. There's all sorts in there, absolutely all sorts, and fondant. Yeah, and we'll go out. So that's them 3. I don't want to mix them up. Well, then let's have a look at this. This is dating. Oh, it's a gel. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at this. Please let it be a cool gel. Oh, it says icicle kiss, no white top. Oh, no white top coat. Oh, look at this. I don't know why I've got one glove on and one glove off. What's wrong with me? I can't. I've no grip at all. Even if I take my glove off, that's it. I don't know what's going on with my hands. I've got no grip. Yeah, let's have a look. That's lovely, isn't it? That is really pretty. Really pretty. Yeah, do you know that'd go well with that, wouldn't it? Yeah. That's the type of top coat though you can put over anything. It'll look really cool. And it's got a little bit of a tiny bit of this colour undertone to it that's on the bottle. Yeah, that's really pretty that. So that's the advent calendars and my little funny story about my nephews who thought I could speak French. I won't go back in. These are not bad, these calendars, they're really good. Considering how many bottles of gels you're getting for the money, very good. So yeah, and I hope you come back in. I hope everybody's doing alright and you're getting ready for Christmas and stuff. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.